Start recording. Stop recording.
Hello guys,
Button.
today welcome to another video. Today, my cousin got me a cicada and it actually sings. If you can hear that, that's the cicada. This is a very healthy one that my cousin got me and it sings. Actually. It's really cool how it actually has the ability to sing. And now I'm going to put it on camera. Let me see if you guys can see the cicada. There's a cicada and it has the ability to sing too. It sings when you grab it. That's a really cool cicada. It actually sings too. Well, it stopped singing, but it does sing. Yeah, it stopped. It got tired already. When I first got it, it sang a lot more than that. Well, it got tired already. Yeah, it won't sing anymore. Oh, there it goes. Oh, she's gonna go right from there. Oh, yep. There you go. Now I know how to make it sing. When you grab it from here, it doesn't really sing that much, but when you grab it from here... Oh, yeah, it sings. And that, guys, is a cicada that actually sings. It's an annual because these come out every year. And the periodical ones are, I think they're a lot smaller. This one's pretty big. I can't believe it actually sings. Whoa, that's it flying. Whoa, there it goes again. It's because it rained yesterday too, so they're probably really happy. This one's actually really fat because it actually ate tree sap. It has a lot of energy inside of it. Yeah, it's really fat and very healthy. Yeah, it's very, very healthy. This cicada's very, very healthy. Well, yeah.
Stop recording. Stop recording.
Long, so.
Button.
Goodbye.
Stop recording. Button.